two projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title, an improved authentication scheme for remote data access and sharing over cloud storage. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. Organizations increasingly rely on cloud services for data management due to scalability and cost effectiveness, but face challenges in data security and privacy. This project proposes a novel approach focusing on user anonymity and preventing impersonation attacks. Existing techniques lack user anonymity, allowing cloud servers to access user identities, risking privacy and security. Our solution involves hashing or encrypting usernames to ensure individual users cannot be identified, thus protecting their privacy. The risk of user or cloud impersonation attacks is significant, with cloud servers logging user activity, potentially leading to data breaches. Our approach involves session management to prevent misuse of session data, enhancing security. The proposed system ensures secure cloud data management with anonymous registration, biometric login, ECC, elliptic curve cryptography encryption for file upload, and Cha-Cha has extension encryption for efficiency. Password changes are secure, downloads are restricted to authorized users, and a computation graph demonstrates the efficiency of ECC, elliptic curve cryptography, and Cha-Cha, enhancing overall security. To implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. Hardware requirements of the project are operating system of Windows, processor of Wi-Fi and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 10 GB and above. Software requirements of the project are Python IDLE and MySQL Workbench. Now let us execute the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder, which contains the project source code files. So here, this is the authentication folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is authentication app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspect of the application, and it also contains templates folder. Within the templates folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. This authentication app folder also contains Python code files. These files consist of Python code that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. And this is the biometric images folder. In this folder, we have the biometrics which we will use during the execution. This is a DB file. This file contains SQL queries that need to be executed within MySQL Workbench in order to establish the required database structure. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. This is run.bat file. Instead of executing the program through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. This file provides an alternative way to execute the project. Double click on run.bat file so that manage.py file is compiled. In the command line, we can see after running the manage.py file, the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Django framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome, and type index.html at the end and then hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. So here we can see two options, user login and new user sign up here. First, we will register a user. So click on new user sign up here. So here we need to enter all these details to register a new user. We need to enter the username. So the username is Shruti, the password, contact number, email ID, address, and here we need to upload the biometric image. So click on choose file to select the biometric image. So here from the biometric images folder, I'm selecting the first image. Now click on open. So here we can see that the biometric image is uploaded and we have filled all the details to register a new user. Now click on register button. So here we can see sign up process completed. Now click on user login to log in. So here we need to enter the username, which is Shruti, the password, and we need to upload the finger image, that is the biometric image. So again, from the biometrics images folder, I'm selecting the first image. Now click on open. So here we can see that the image is uploaded. Now click on login button to log in as the user Shruti. So we have logged in successfully as the user Shruti, and here we can see welcome Shruti. And these are the different options present here. So the first one is upload file. The second one is download, own or share file. The third one is change password. And the fourth one is computational graph. First, click on upload file link to upload the file. So here we need to select the file. So click on choose file. So I'm selecting this file. So here we can see that the file is uploaded and the file access is public. So we have uploaded the file. So this uploaded file will be saved in the encrypted format in the cloud. Now click on upload button. So here we can see file successfully loaded to cloud and it is saved in the encrypted format. Now click on download, own or share file to view the files. So here, these are the available files. So this is the file which we have just uploaded. So the owner name is Shruti, the file name, access type is public, and here we have the option to download the file. So if we click here to download, the file will be downloaded in the decrypted format. So click here to download. So here we can see that the file is downloaded in the decrypted format. We can view the file. And here we have the option to change the password. So click on change password link to change the password. So here we need to enter the old password and then we need to enter the new password which we want. So I'm entering the new password and then we have to confirm the password. So we have to enter the new password again and then click on change password to change the password. So here we can see password changed successfully. So the password is changed successfully. Now click on computational graph. So here, this is the comparison graph screen. So on the x-axis, we have the algorithm name, that is ECC computation and Chacha computation. And on the y-axis, we have the computation time. And here we can see that the ECC computation took less computation time than the Chacha computation. So in the database screen, that is the MySQL command line client screen, we can see that the usernames are anonymized to provide security to user details from cloud. So here, these are the usernames which are anonymized. So we can see to provide security to user details from cloud. Minimize this. And now click on logout link. So the conclusion of the project, the improved authentication scheme enhances data privacy and security in cloud storage by anonymizing user identities and preventing impersonation attacks. Using ECC and the efficient Chacha encryption algorithm ensures secure data encryption and optimized performance. The project significantly improves the security and privacy of data access and sharing, benefiting users, organizations, and cloud service providers by safeguarding sensitive information and ensuring secure authentication.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.